Hello, today I will show you how to do Mr. Beast style face retouching in a few minutes. This is a method that, if properly learned, can be done in just a few seconds. So let's get started. The first step will be to stamp the face. Such a tool is available in Photoshop and works identically. It will help us blur the imperfections on the skin. So let's take a small brush and select clean skin and pattern it on the inconvenience. I know this is a guide made in GIMP, but you literally have identical tools in Photoshop. So here I will only show you how to use them. I recommend doing it in detail and carefully, because the more inconveniences we remove, the better the render looks. Many face retouching tutorials on YouTube complicate the matter too much. Today I will show you how to quickly achieve a similar or even better effect. Okay, once we have it ready, we move on to the second step, which will be highlighting the face and giving the effect of light falling on the render. In this step we need to focus. We use a tool called brightening and set the brush opacity to a maximum of 30% and make sure that our render is not too saturated. We only light where we want the light to fall. If you want me to record an episode of how I do it from all perspectives, write in a comment. As you can see, I did it wrong the first time, so I'll do it again, with less coverage and carefully. In this case, the light also falls centrally on the face, so we illuminate up to the neck and hair. As you can see, the render is too saturated. We need to slightly change the color and lower the saturation. As you can see, we have it ready. The third simplest step will be smoothing the face. Many guides show very time-consuming solutions, and I will show you how to do it in just a few seconds. We copy the layer with the render, and move the copied layer one layer down, and select it, and blur it with a Gaussian blur around it, as I did. Now, on the unfurnished layer, we erase the skin with an eraser at a opacity of about 20%, as I do to smooth it out around the eyes, mouth, and nose. In some places, the saturation may be higher again, so we may slightly discolor certain parts of the face. Now we can slightly reduce the opacity of the blurred layer as I do, so that it is not so smooth, and repeat this process several times, until the face is perfectly smooth. I recommend removing wrinkles and other variations. Now the last optional step, but one that has been highly recommended lately, whitening your teeth and improving your eyes. We choose a light eye shade color, in this case it is brown. We match it to the iris of the eye and copy it several times, changing the blend option to soft light, and once to screening. We also brighten the selected area, and add small white dots. It is best to apply 2 layers, one colored and the other black and white, and apply an eraser to cover the teeth with 20% coverage. That's all for this guide. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next episodes.